How to fix SkyQ box remote not working or responding. First, replace the batteries. Weak batteries are the most common cause. Even if they still light up the remote, they may not provide enough power for Bluetooth pairing. Second, reset the SkyQ remote. Press and hold 7 and 9 together until the LED flashes 4 times. This factory resets the remote. Then repair it. Hold 1 and 3 together, follow the on-screen instructions. Third, restart the SkyQ box. Sometimes the box freezes and not the remote. Turn the box off at the wall, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, and wait for the Sky logo to appear. Fourth, check for Bluetooth pairing problems. SkyQ remotes mainly use Bluetooth and not just infrared. If buttons work only when pointing directly at the box, Bluetooth pairing likely failed. For this, move closer to the box, remove nearby interference, and repair with 1 and 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.